Welcome to Accounting 175, the VITA Income Tax Program. I'm Donna Marcus, and I am one of your instructors. Alan Kramers will be joining me as your other instructor. The class is broken down into two sections. The first will be January, during which you will learn basic tax law, and then from February through April 10th, you will be preparing tax returns for students and members of the community. This is a great class because you are developing skills which you can use during your career if you decide that taxes are of interest to you. If you decide that taxes are not of interest to you, you at least know how to prepare your own tax return and tax returns for friends. During the training in January, we will be working 4 problems which will demonstrate the items that you will be using when preparing returns for students and members of the community. You will also be taking an online test which is prepared by the IRS before you can prepare tax returns. The test requires a passing score of 80%, but you have 2 tries in order to pass the test. Because the class is so short, it's important that you keep up and submit the assignments when due. The nice thing about the class is that it starts early in January before other classes start. So if you keep up with your assignments, you should be finished with most of them before your other classes even start. There will be no assignments starting in February during the time of the lab portion. During the lab portion, you will be attending a minimum of 5 Saturdays and preparing returns during those Saturdays. We hope that you enjoy the class, and we look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, be sure that you ask us, as we are here to help make your class a success. Thank you.